Namaste bachcho, how are you all? Good. Okay. So yesterday class we have done till rule 4. It means we have already completed all the rules, right? And after that I gave you the summary. How many of you have control over these summaries, all these formulas? So mainly if you are remembering these 7 things, 7 concept, that's all means these 7 concept you will be thorough with. What? Chalo. So today we'll see some more illustrations and then we'll quickly wind up the session. So let's do one illustrations now, and again these illustrations are from your study material itself, so don't be confused. Okay, x to the power a and y to the power minus b whole to the power 3, okay, multiplied by x cube y square and to the power minus a. Okay, now simply you just have to treat this power individually, each items. So how it will be? X to the power 3a y to the power minus 3b multiplied by beta x to the power minus 3a and y to the power minus 2a. What I have done? I have done a to the power if m whole to the power n, then a to the power m n. That's all. So I have used this formula. Why you are writing, sir, side by side? So that you will remember it. Okay, and I will appreciate if you will write the same way. चलो अगला ट्रीटमेंट देखो, x एंड x है तो सेम वेरिएबल को कंबाइन करके लिखो. सो x 3a and this is in multiplication term, so obviously power will be added 3a, then multiplied by y minus 3b and here also y, so plus minus minus 2a. What I have done, if somewhere there is x to the power if m है and multiplied by x to the power n है, then why we can do x to the power m plus n. So this is the formula I have used. Okay, sir. Now see here, plus minus gone, so x to the power 0 multiplied by y minus 3b and minus 2a minus c 3b and minus 2a. So how much it will be? Minus 5a, right? Isn't it? Sorry, this is b and this is a, then how you will add it? No chance. So minus 3b and then plus 2a, and what we have done, we have taken minus as a common, so that 3b plus minus and minus, this will become 2. So this can we write x to the power 0 equal to 1 divided by, see here it's in minus term, so it will come down, and what you can write? 2a plus 3b. So what and all I have used here? First formula I have used a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, and secondly x a to the power 0 equal to 1. So all together these all the four formula we have used, 4 law we have used to solve this particular illustrations. That's why I told you this is very important. Okay, chalo quickly we'll do one more illustrations. illustrations. What you have is a to the power 4b multiplied by x to the power 6, and here you have 6, okay, multiplied by a to the power 2 by 3 and x to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus b, right? Right, sir. And as you know, if you will remove this root, what you can write? A to the power 4b x to the power 6, and this will become 1 by 6 multiplied by a to the power 2 by 3 x to the power minus 1 and whole to the power, what you write? Minus b, isn't it? Yes, sir. So here a to the power 4b multiplied by 1 by 6 multiplied by x to the power 6 multiplied by 1 by 6 multiplied by a to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by minus b, and here x to the power minus 1 multiplied by minus b. Okay, so simply I have removed the bracket, and then so which formula is been used? A to the power m to the power n equal to a ka power m n. This formula I have used. Okay, now you tell me what will be the resultant. A to the power 2 2s are 4, right, and 2 3s are, so a to the power 2b by 3 multiplied by x to the power this con, so it will be 1, right, multiplied by a to the power minus 2b by 3 multiplied by x to the power, this minus minus will become kya? Plus. Now you tell me a to the power 2b by 3 and a base is same, both are in multiplication term, so you can add, so plus and minus, plus minus minus 2b divided by 3 multiplied by x, see the base is same here, so power we can add 1 plus b, isn't it? Yes, sir. Now this is anyway gone, plus and minus, so a to the power 0 multiplied by x to the power, see here, 1 plus b, x to the power 1 plus b, that is equal to 1 multiplied by x to the power 1 plus b, that is x to the power 1 plus b. Okay, this is the answer. So simple, these are all simple, only the thing is you just have to follow the rules and altogether 7 to 8 formula in order to solve any kind of problem. Okay, चलिए सर जी, अगला प्रॉब्लम, अगला इलस्ट्रेशन हमारा है illustration. Find x, they are saying find x, they are saying find x if x root under x multiplied by x, and this is what? A square, here also x. Okay, so they are asking you to find kya? Find the solutions, find the solutions. Okay, and this is equal to, actually see in your study material, x multiplied by root under x and x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by root under x का square. Then how, what you write? this is x multiplied by x to the power 1 by 2, because if you will remove this root 1 by 2 equal to, if you will remove this bracket, what will be the answer? X to the power x square, right? Nahi, this is not a square, this is x. So x to the power x multiplied by, if you will remove this root, what will be the answer? X to the power 1 by 2 and multiplied by x. Which x? This x. So now you tell me, x multiplied by x to the power 1 by 2 equal to x to the power x multiplied by x to the power x by 2. Right? Right, sir. Here these are all multiplication terms. So 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to x, x plus x by 2 equal to x, the 2 1s are 2, so this is 3 by 2, x, 2x plus x divided by 2, now here x to the power 3x by 2, right? Is that okay? Okay, now go to next page. One more concept I will give you. If there is same base, the power also will be equal. So see here, what is there? X to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 3x by 2, x to the power 3x by 2. So if there are same base, power will be equal. Okay, कहने का मतलब ये देखो, सेम बेस तो पावर को इक्वल कर दो, 3 by 2 इक्वल टू 3x by 2, हेंस x इक्वल टू 3 multiplied by 2, okay, and here 2 multiplied by 3, so 2 से 2, 3 से 3, हेंस x इक्वल टू कितना? 1. वंडरफुल. मीन्स हमने क्या बोला है कि इफ़ x का पावर a है इक्वल टू x का पावर b है, तो हम a इक्वल टू b कह सकते हैं. हम a इक्वल टू b कह सकते हैं, समझे? ठीक है सर, एक और इलस्ट्रेशन कर लेते हैं, फिर हम जाएंगे एक्सरसाइज में. एंड एक्सरसाइज, द प्रॉब्लम्स आर एक्चुअली very easy compared to these illustrations. So if you have focused throughout the illustrations and the concept which I have taught, believe me, problem will be nothing for you. Okay, exercise problem will be nothing for you. चलो, इसीलिए मैं इलस्ट्रेशन पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. एक और इलस्ट्रेशन कर लेते हैं बेटा. इसमें क्या है? फाइंड k. आपको k इक्वल टू व्हाट पता लगाना है. Where root under 9 to the power minus 7 multiplied by root under 3 to the power minus 5 इक्वल टू 3 का पावर यदि k है, तो आपको बोल रहा है, सिंप्लीफाई करो तो a का पावर 1 by 2 माइनस 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 का पावर 1 by 2 माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 3 का पावर k. यहाँ a का पावर 7 by 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 का पावर माइनस 5 by 2 इक्वल टू 3 का पावर k. राइट, यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? I guess there is some problem. This one you see, this is 9 actually, this is 9, not a 9. So this is 9. Now what you can write, 3 3s are 9, so 3 square multiplied by 7 by 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 5 by 2 and 3 to the power k. So now you tell me, this 2 is gone, so 3 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 5 by 2 equal to 3 to the power k, 3 to the power k. Okay, yes sir. So 3, now 7 minus 5 by 2. I believe no one has doubt till here. No sir. Now see, base are equal, so power can be equated. Just now I told you the rule. So 7 minus 5 by 2 equal to क्या हो जाएगा, k, एंड इसका करो 2 7 दूना 14 माइनस, सो 11 by 2 equal to k, right? This is and this is minus 7, no, this is minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7, so minus 14 and minus 5, minus 14 minus 5, so what will be the resultant? K equal to 14 and 5 minus 19 by 2. That's all. You understood? Yes sir. Okay, so with this we have done with few illustrations as well. Now what I'll do, next class itself I will start kya exercise. So all of you please go through it, okay? Theoretical aspects including the formulas, and then we will do exercise 1C next class onward. Okay beta, chaliye, have a good day, bye bye.